Meaning of grumpy.
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 Grumpy. The word grumpy is an adjective used to describe someone who is in a bad mood, easily irritated or discontented. It is often associated with someone who is difficult to please and is frequently complaining or whining. When someone is grumpy, they tend to be negative and pessimistic, expressing annoyance and irritability towards those around them. This behavior can also lead to feelings of discomfort or tension in the environment. Overall, being grumpy is generally not a desirable trait, as it can have a negative impact on personal relationships and communication with others.